there and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Kalpana Ahir and today we are diving into an incredibly important topic, raising emotionally intelligent children. Emotional intelligence and resilience are crucial skills that can help our kids navigate life's ups and downs with confidence and empathy. So let's get started. First, let's talk about what emotional intelligence actually is. Emotional intelligence or EQ is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions as well as the emotions of others. It's about empathy, self regulation, and social skills. Now, how can we help our children develop these essential qualities? Tip number 1. Model emotional intelligence. Kids learn by watching us. Show them how you handle your emotions in a healthy way. Talk about your feelings openly and demonstrate coping strategies. For example, if you are feeling stressed, you might say, I am feeling a bit overwhelmed right now, so I am going to take a few deep breaths to calm down. Tip number 2. Validate their emotions. When your child is upset, acknowledge their feelings instead of dismissing them. Saying things like, I can see that you are really angry right now. Help them feel understood and accepted. This teaches them that all emotions are okay, even the tough ones. Tip number 3. Teach problem solving skills. Encourage your child to think about solution when they are facing a challenge. Ask questions like, what do you think we can do to solve this? Or how can we make this better? This empowers them to take control and builds resilience. Tip number 4. Encourage empathy. Help your child understand other people's perspectives. You can do this by discussing characters' feelings in book or movies, or by asking questions like, how do you think that made them feel? Empathy is a key component of emotional intelligence. Tip number 5. Create a safe emotional environment. Make sure your child knows they can express their feelings without fear of judgment or punishment. This means being a patient listener and offering comfort and support even they are expressing difficult emotion. Raising emotionally intelligent children takes time and effort, but the rewards are immense. Our kids will grow up to be more empathetic, resilient, and capable of forming healthy relationships. Thanks for joining me today. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more parenting advice and tips. Until next time, take care and keep nurturing those amazing little humans.